This is super squishy. It's all too common to lose items into the abyss. But there's a simple way you can cheat the system. Here's a DIY version you can make at home. Does it me or does it smell better because it was homemade? Foaming hand soap is great, and these bottles can last quite a while. But what they don't tell you is you're paying the same price, even more, for diluted soap. But there's a simple way you can cheat the system. Here's how to make DIY foam soap. Foam soap is just water and soap aerated with a pump to last longer. So you can refill a bottle yourself once it's empty, or treat yourself to a fancy, reusable bottle. Besides, you'll be saving so much money anyways. You'll need 3 or 4 tablespoons of your favorite soap. I prefer to use a more natural soap like Castile. But you can also use any regular hand soap refill. Now fill the rest of the bottle up with clean water. 1 pump will do. 20 seconds. Instead of a single bottle of soap, you can buy soap to last you months and months and months and months and months. I mean nearly forever, like months on months on months. Air quality can be worse during certain times of the year, and that can even affect air inside your home. Here's how to make an air purifier out of a box fan. Now, you may already have a box fan at home, but if not, they're easy to find and affordable. All you need is a high-quality air filter and some packing tape. Simply put the air filter in front of the fan. Just make sure the airflow in the filter is facing outward. Secure your filter to the fan with the packing tape. Securely tape on all the sides. Now you don't want any air gaps, so make sure you go over it twice, sealing any holes. This will circulate air inside the room and clean it at the same time. Now you may not need to use an air purifier like this all the time. A good way to keep track of air quality is just to use a weather app. These are best to use in individual rooms when air quality is poor. Air purifiers can be really expensive. That's why I like this DIY version that's really affordable. It's all too common to lose items into the abyss. Here's how to save yourself from under-seat searches. Phone, wallets, keys, so many things fall between those cracks in the seats. And depending on your vehicle, getting anything out can be the worst. The solution? A foam noodle. Just like the colorful pool kind, these are pipe insulation. You can find these at hardware stores and they're so cheap. And you can find them in different sizes. Just cut to fit. And install this to fill that gap between the seats. I love this, it's so discreet, you don't even notice it's there. Look, now there's nowhere for anything to fall. I love this! This is so great, why didn't I do this sooner? If you've been making ice packs like this, you're doing it wrong. Here's how you make your own gel ice packs. So squishy. Let's start off with a reusable zip top bag, they're more sustainable. Add 2 parts water, 1 part alcohol, a little bit of dish soap, and for the right look, food color. Now, get as much air out as you can. Just make sure that's sealed tight or you can double bag it. Now this goes into the freezer for a few hours or overnight. A non-toxic alternative is to make a gel pack with light corn syrup. This is a safe option for kids because if it does leak, it's just sticky. For lunches, freeze some wet sponges. If they thaw, they won't leak. After some time in the freezer, we have our gel ice packs. If you want it a little more firm, just add less alcohol. I definitely recommend keeping an ice pack like this on hand for injury and fatigue, and non-toxic packs like these are great for lunches. Pods like these are really convenient, but you can actually make your own laundry detergent at home. First, we're gonna grade a bar of Castile soap. Ooh, this stuff smells so good. All you need is this little bar for many loads of laundry. Knowing me, I should probably have some Band-Aids on standby. Almost to the finish line. Last little bit. This really is so satisfying. Next, we're gonna add some baking soda to a glass container. And then 1 scoop of borax. Now, a handful of our soap. And to make things easier, I'm just gonna layer this the rest of the way. Layering will just make things easier to mix at the end. Okay. And just the last of our soap. Now just give this a good mix. Just be gentle until everything's incorporated. There you go, that's all you need to make your own laundry detergent. and you only need a small scoop per load of laundry. And surprise, you can also use white vinegar in your laundry. We use this for everything, just add a splash to your rinse cycle. Is it me or does this smell better because it was homemade? So many devices around the house have vents like these, and they can be a pain to clean. So we're gonna fix it by making some cleaning slime. We're gonna start with some glue, regular old school glue. Add some warm water. Choose your favorite food coloring. Add a few drops and give that a good mix. It's not quite slime yet. To activate it, we need borax. Dissolve that into some warm water. It's starting to come together. This is super squishy. Oh, it's so satisfying to squish between your fingers. I lost a piece. Now that we have our slime, it's time to clean. And don't mind my super blue hands. Just press in that slime to clean all those nooks and crannies. Look at all this dust in here. Just gonna squeeze it in. Oh, way better. The cleaning slime pulled out all that dust and those particles. It's a good idea to make sure your device is turned off and unplugged. So satisfying. Oh yeah. What do you use if you run out of dishwasher detergent? Here's a DIY version you can make at home. It may be tempting, but never put regular dish soap in your dishwasher. This stuff is not designed for it, and you'll just end up with a big mess on your hands. This homemade detergent starts with 2 simple household cleaning ingredients. You'll need borax. I'm gonna use baking soda. Better yet, if you have washing soda, use that. This is gonna be your base detergent to get the job done, but there's a couple things you can add to make it better. Add in a kosher salt or Epsom salt. Lastly, some citric acid. This stuff is great to have on hand for homemade cleaners. Let's put our detergent to work and add 1 to 2 tablespoons to our dishwasher. With this homemade detergent, you're gonna wanna pre-rinse your dishes to get rid of any excess food before you put it in the dishwasher. You can also use distilled white vinegar as a rinse agent in your dishwasher to keep everything sparkling clean. No detergent, not a problem. Next time, you can just make your own. Now that's a problem solved. Thanks for watching Problem Solved. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out some of our other videos like these 2 right here.